take a look at some more great values in the Bronx. We're in Woodlawn today. We're in a second floor walk-up. Just walking in, you walk into a vestibule area here where you have a really oversized coat closet as you enter. Floor to ceiling. Large windowed eat-in kitchen. Brand new appliances. All right, let's step back into that vestibule and we'll enter the living room. Kind of nice when you don't just walk into your living room. This is very large. You could fit a large sectional sofa, a large entertainment center, coffee table, accent chair, and even though you have an eat-in kitchen, you could segment a small dining area right over here. Two big oversized windows, good sunshine throughout the apartment. Again, your living room and your bedroom will be separated by a small hallway. On the way to the bedroom, we'll have a really nice subway tile bathroom. Going into the bedroom, this can easily fit a king, two nightstands, a dresser, and an armoire. Beautiful hardwood floors throughout. The floors were just refinished. And as you can see, at the opening side of the hallway here from the living room to the bedroom, you have a very deep floor to ceiling walk-in closet with overhead storage above. So retracing our steps back into this enormous living room. This is a second floor walk-up in Woodlawn on East 233rd Street, right off of White Plains Road, very convenient to the 2 and the 5 and the Metro North. This is a lot of space. As you can see from the price, it's a great value. Come on down, take a look. This could be your next home. Thanks for watching.